name is Andrea Michalkewicz. I have been working at Poclain Hydraulics for 17 years, and my job is maintenance operations supervisor. My best memory is right after 14 days in company, when I flew with my boss and financial manager to visit Burberry plant. I was truly impressed by the precision and organization of the entire production process. I left feeling enriched, having learned a lot and connect valuable connections. I would like to say professional approach, mutual respect, and dynamic changes. I mean how quickly and effectively a company implements new technologies, innovations, and improves processes. I would like to say you won't just be working only with hydraulic motors, you will be shaping the future of industrial performance. If you take pride in doing things right and won't be part of team that's moving forward, this is the place for you.